bad looking. I began the work, and today's video will be focused all on lights. I have undo the front lights, this and these two, and the rear lights. Now I have to undo the glasses to see what's inside. It's quite flat and I would like to have a bowl, so perhaps we have to work. Fortunately I have this. Remember, buy this for your chrome parts. It's the only thing I ever seen that makes real chrome. Wonderful. Quite expensive, not so much inside, but it works. And we have a LED, 3 millimeters about, yes, 3 millimeters. And okay, I have to do holes herein for the wire that comes from here. As I told you, inside here I will put all the wiring, the resistors all together. Then a wire from here, a wire from here, down to the battery. Comment, like and subscribe. And shut up Nanny, start the work. External, internal, they are different. This is flat but very shining. Well, I make a hole, perhaps a little bigger hole, and then we see. It's not so easy to take the glasses off. Okay. One, which is the way, this one. Okay. Okay, here just the hole. Now I do something very clever. I take a picture, because these glasses I have to wash them, then I mix together, but I have to see the right position. So clever boy. You see, double glasses, because these are just lenses like this one, but this, it's not good. This is perfect. And I wanted to show you how accurate is this model. If you can see, these two are different from these two. This has more lines and this has few lines. Now I am making for my job, for my work, I'm building a rally car. You see that this is similar to this and this is similar to this. So this Kyosho model is very, very good. Fantastic. They were a little bit yellow, and this is a special cleaner for the kitchen, and it works very well on plastic. It's fantastic. You see the water here inside is quite yellow. It means that I clean it the glasses of my lamps. Now water, and this is done. Done. Now I have to paint here inside. Here it's not so good, but okay. Wiring, these are perfect. Oh, these are not very strong LED, but 6, maybe a little bit of light we will have it. Now chrome, dry, and then take to the back part. Okay, we have made some work. These are mounted, this is cleaned a little bit better with my chrome pen, and this wiring are inside. I've painted in satin matte gloss, it doesn't matter, black, but with enamels. This the back of the LEDs, so we don't. It's possible we don't see light here. That's not right. The same thing on the main. These are ready to be mounted. I've made the holes, the right holes. I have to mount here. I have broken this pin, so I will put a screw. I have to do to make a hole. The rear lamps are made quite good, yes, I'm satisfied. And what next? Nothing. Now I mount this wires here. These are mounted. The wires inside. the rear one with the buckets. I like it very much, even if here I have added a very thin red transparent, but it makes better this division between the reflector and they work too. Now we have to connect everything, and for this I would like to show you this. This is not a very technical drawing I've made by myself, and I'm not so good with a pencil as with hands and tools, but I think it's quite clear. Here we have the front lights and here the rear lights. Here they are 6 and here just 2. So we have to connect exactly the... wait a minute. We have to connect exactly the LED. As I have a 7.4 volts battery, I have to reduce the current to 3.1 volts, because this is the tension for the LEDs. To do this, I have to connect 2 LEDs together, one after the other, and in this way I can reduce the voltage on the 50%. But it's not enough. We have to stabilize at 3 volts. So I have these resistors. Look carefully at the colors of this resistor. You have to buy this one if you follow my way. We have to do this. We take these 2 lights. Plus, plus, minus, minus. Plus on LEDs is the longest leg, metal leg. We have from the battery plus, resistor, plus. Inside the LED, outside minus. Goes here and goes to the plus of the next LED. Inside, return back minus to the battery. And we have to do this. In this case, we have 6 lights 3 times. So 1 for the main lights, 2 and 3 for the adding lights. Well, all these can go just in 2 wires to the switch. Rear, it's easier. So we have red plus resistor. This is a bridge between minus and plus, minus return before the switch. So we have battery, switch, lights. It's very easy. It costed quite nothing, and the price of this is very cheap, switch. If you want, you can use a radio-controlled switch. I have used a lot of them. In this case, I don't want. I want a vintage model, so switch, on, off. In order not to bore you too much, comment, like, and subscribe. Slideshow! work is done. We have lights. I don't show you the real one. You have a picture, because this is not stable. There's not a plug, just two wires plugged into the battery, so you know it makes like this. Oops. But we have a lot of lights. I'm very happy, and I hope this video could be useful for you, because you can put all the lights you want on your car. For sure, you don't have flashing lights, direction lights. For this you have to buy and to use money. But to drive, to have something very nice, this is the way. You can stop the video to understand exactly all the passages. They are very simple. There's nothing difficult to do. And thank you very much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. All the best. Up to the next. Bye bye to you all. Ciao a tutti. Ciao, ciao.